Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan Zad bin Muhammad Ali. Card meeting number is 01DKM1AF2007 with my friend Muhammad Ali Hakamal bin Yaakob and Kartik Ramesh. Today, I will present about the boiling mounting. In this slide, I will talk about what is boiler mounting, how does it work, working principle of the boiler mounting, and what is advantage and disadvantage of boiler mounting. So, the meaning of the boiler mounting is, the boiler mounting are the components generally mounted on the surface of the boiler to have safety during operation. So, how does it work? The boiler mounting are used to run a boiler in a safe way. Boiler mounting are primarily intended for the safety of the boiler and for complete control of steam generation process. Boiler accessories are used to improve the efficiency of the boiler. Before we know more about the mounting boiler, we must know the working principle of a boiler. The working principle of boiler is, hot gases are formed by burning fuel in the furnace. These gases are made to come in contact with the water vessel, the point where the heat transfer takes place between the steam and power. Thus, the boiler basic principle is to convert water into steam with heat energy. Now, I will talk about the following are the important mountings of the boiler. There are 7 important mountings of the boiler. The first of all, the water level indicator. The function of a water level indicator is to indicate the level of water in the boiler constantly. It is also called water gauge. It helps the operator in keeping the level constant from outside through a gas tube. In case of need, if the level falls down, water will be pumped by the operator. The second is safety valve. The function of safety valve is to safeguard the boiler from the danger of pressure higher than the safe working pressure. Every boiler has a safe working pressure designed by the manufacturer and can be operated safely if it is operated within the pressure limit. The design pressure may be more than the safe working pressure. Next, we have a pressure gauge. The function of the pressure gauge is to measure the pressure of steam inside the boiler. The gauge is usually mounted on the front top of the shell or drum such that it should be clearly visible to an operator. It's commonly used in the modern pressure gauge mounted on the front top of the boiler pressure. Then, we have steam stop valve. It is also known as a junction valve. Steam stop valve is used to regulate the flow of steam from one steam pipe to the other or from the boiler to the steam pipe. The valve which is to regulate the steam from boiler to steam pipe is known as junction valve. The valve is mounted on the boiler drum or shell. The valve fitted in the pipeline to regulate the steam, or the valve fitted in pipeline near steam prime mover to get is operated by regulating the steam is known as steam stop valve. Now, I will pass to the next presenter for the following are the important mounting of the boiler.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Ali Hakamal bin Yaakob. Okay, I want to continue this slide. Okay, the following are the things important mountings of the boiler. 5. Feed check valve. So you can see this is a picture. A valve placed at the boiler and to regulate the flow of the water. And the second picture is a fusible plugs. Okay, to extinguish the fire in the furnaces of the boiler when the water level in the boiler falls below unsafe level. Okay, I will continue this slide. Okay, 7. Blow off valve or blow down valve. Okay, as you can see, look this picture. Okay, this picture is to remove periodically the sediments deposit at the bottom of the boiler while the boiler is in operation, and to empty the boiler while it is to be cleaned or inspected. Okay, I want to continue this slide. Okay, I want to talk about difference between the boiler's mounting and accessory. Okay, as you can see for this table, you can look at mounting and accessory. Okay, first mounting. Boiler mounting is an essential apparatus without which is a boiler cannot be operated. And the accessory, boiler accessory is not an essential apparatus. This is used to improve the operating condition and overall efficiency of the boiler plant. Okay, second, mounting. Boiler mounting are mounted on the boiler, and the accessory. Boiler accessory are not generally mounted on the boiler but installed within or near the boiler. Okay, mounting. Third, boiler mounting occupies less floor space, and the accessory boiler accessory occupies comparatively generally floor space.
Hi, good morning. My name is Kartik Anaki Ramesh and my metric guide number is 01DKM18F2009, and I'm going to talk about advantages and disadvantages. Okay, for number one, advantages, the steam generation capacity is of boiler is too high, about 2,000 to 40,000. Second, replacement of the deactive tubes is easy. 3. The duct losses as compared to other boilers is minimum. 4. It is used in power station for generating large quantity of steam. 5th, and the last, boiler is required less space area compared to fire tube. Boiler offers greater operational safety. For the disadvantages, 1. Incapable of meeting very high overloads because of danger of being damaged due to overheat. Second, maximum steam pressure is limited to 20 bar. Third, leakage occurs frequently at the place where the tube joins the plate. Fourth, large flat surface need bracing. And the last one, fifth, is practicals in water are large cost scale formation. The summary. The boiler is one of the oldest machinery system to be used in ship's engine room. In early days, the vessel's propulsion system was powered by the steam produced by the boiler. With mechanical advancement and increasing emphasis on safety of the ship crew, various boilers mounting and boiler safety devices has been introduced. Just installing a boiler on a ship doesn't guarantee efficient working of a boiler. When a boiler installation is done on board a ship, it is only be considered as complete and different type of boiler mountings, including boiler control, are fitted to ensure the safe and efficient operation of a gas boiler. For the conclusion is, in conclusion, boiler mounting are those mechanical applications which are considered essential for operating a boiler smoothly and safety, which are usually mounted on the surface of a boiler. That is all from us today. Thank you.